Hi you guys, I just wanted to pop on here really quickly before I actually start the video just to let you know that I am actually doing a collaboration today with one of my good friends here on YouTube, Tara Olson. If you have not seen any of Tara's videos before, you absolutely have to go and check out her channel. She is phenomenal. She has so much cleaning motivation and she is so beautiful and sweet and genuine, but even better than that, she lives on a farm and she does videos about all of her animals and taking care of the farm, and just her channel is really cool, something that I have not seen here before on YouTube. So she definitely mixes things up. Like I said, she's got all of the cleaning motivation that you will ever need, plus she has a lot of other really cool videos. She also has done like some vegan recipes. She's not vegan, but she's like done cool different recipes like that, and even like other things like workout with me and stuff like that. So she definitely has the cleaning motivation, plus she switches things up and does some other fun different videos for you as well. So make sure you go out and check out her video as well. I will have an iCard as well as her channel linked in the description box below. Also, I would just like to say really quickly, if you are coming over here from Tara's channel, I would absolutely love to have you subscribe and be a part of my growing family here on YouTube. I do a lot of cleaning motivation as well, and I also try to do some other types of videos too. So I do some law of attraction videos, some cook with me's and recipes. I'm on a weight loss journey right now, so I incorporate some of that into my channel as well. So there's tons of different cool stuff here for you on my channel, and I would love to have you subscribe. But without further ado, let's just get back on into the video. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 10-minute tidy. So if you didn't see my last video, I followed a Love Meg cleaning video, and I got a bunch of stuff cleaned. There was a whole bunch of rooms that she didn't touch, mainly the dining room and the living room, that I really needed to get done as well. So I thought I would try and challenge myself and do a 10-minute tidy. So I've finished up with my Love Meg video, and now I'm going to go ahead and film this one. So I will show you what we're working with here. I had some daycare kids here this morning, and Holden came and tossed a bunch of his dirty laundry all over the place, and it's just a mess in here. And then I've got some laundry that has to go downstairs, and I've got a bunch of stuff on the table from cleaning up the other room. So a bunch of that stuff needs to find its homes. And then I've got this cushion because it's been raining outside, and it goes outside, but I didn't want to leave it outside in the rain, so it's just kind of hanging out in here for now. But this is the main area that I really wanted to focus on, is here in the dining room and also in the living room. And we're going to see if a 10-minute tidy can get it all done.
Been watering our thing alone. I'm the only one still in love. You are watching us fade away. So many times I have prayed on my own and
you guys will notice that this chair has definitely seen better days. I'm putting these blankets over top because the chair underneath is completely trashed, but it is so comfortable and I just love it so much. I can't bring myself to get rid of it. My boyfriend and I are thinking we might actually just get it recovered because I love it so much. And I think that I can still buy it. I got it from Ashley Furniture. I think I can still buy it, but I think they're different now. I think the wood on the arms is different, and I just really love this one. So for now, it stays and I cover it.
Don't wanna bite my tongue and let go. After all we've been through, the highs are really high, but this time lows are more lower too. What happened with the best part of you, that one that's always in blue? The one that's always in, the one that's always in, the one that's always in, one that's always in. You've been shutting me out too long. I don't want you to be alone now. I'm close to get my last call. Girl, what you don't see is when we don't speak, none of us can sleep. I need the truth to find out and see. We like we run.
Okay Okay guys, so I ended up going a little bit over on time, like maybe a minute or two. When I was half done cleaning the sofa, vacuuming the sofa, then the timer went off, but I just continued on with it obviously. So let's take a look here at how everything looks. I'm like out of breath. Feel like I was just like running around trying to get all that done. So I got done pretty much everything. I would still like to wipe down this table, and I have some books there that I need to put back, but that's not too bad. And then over here, I got the dining room cleared out. So I'm very happy with that. Looks nice and clean. Hey guys, so that is it for me today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and doing this quick little 10-minute tidy. Let me know what I motivated you to clean in the comments down below. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.